and welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on this video, it's probably because you're interested in 15 crochet patterns that you can make in under an hour, to make and sell in under an hour. These are crochet patterns that I have specifically made for my markets. I don't think I crochet super fast, so I feel like you should also be able to make them in around an hour. And I find that patterns that take an hour or less are the most profitable for selling at markets. So the first pattern are these fidgets from Literal Loops on Etsy. I made and brought these to my last market, and you can see my market crochet video. I'll link it in the cards wherever side it comes up on. The next pattern is also a fidget. It's like a marble maze type fidget, so it's the other one from Mon Petit Chou Crochet. I probably butchered that, so I am sorry. The third pattern are these soup dumplings from Emmy Creations by Chloe, who also has a YouTube channel. I think I can link that down below, so I'll link that as well. She has a lot of patterns, but I specifically like these dumplings. And if you watched my Market Makes video, the dumpling I made is not quite how they come out. I messed up the pattern because I wasn't paying attention, but they're still very cute and should work up fast. I think she said she makes them in like 30 minutes. It took me a little longer than that, but they're her own patterns, so I'm sure she's like super fast at making them. The next patterns are actually a 3-pack from Katie Bean Creative. They're her No Sew pattern pack with a frog, a whale, and an octopus. Love these patterns. Love any No Sew patterns. Good job, Eddie. I like any No Sew patterns because they tend to be the fastest for Market Makes. She has these on Etsy and I think on Ribbler too, but I bought them specifically on Etsy. The next patterns are No Sew Baby Sharks from Rachel the Farmer's Wife, also on Etsy. These were one of the first items that sold at my market. The next patterns are Splat and Squish from amigurumi. I don't remember which one is the smaller one, but I'm specifically referring to the smaller one in the patterns that I could crochet in under an hour. I think they're super cute, and she has a modification to make a ghost, and I made a glow-in-the-dark ghost with the like glow-in-the-dark yarn. I hate the yarn, but the ghost came out super cute. The next pattern are the baby crab from All From Jade, also specifically referring to the baby of this pattern pack. I don't know how long the adults take. I've never made the bigger version, but the babies are cute. And I did not sell them, but I got a lot of compliments on the little crab babies. The next and final paid pattern are Leggy Frogs from Knot Jade Co. And that's not with a K, like to tie a knot. The infamous Leggy Frogs. I'm faster. I think everybody is faster at the baby frog, so I tend to make those, but I've made the mom frog. I don't remember how long that one took, but I know the baby frog is less than an hour. Now for free patterns. Tiny Bee Keychain from Hannah Crochets on Ribbler. Super cute. That's what my bee keychain pattern is from. Mini fruits from Minnie's Crochet Friends. This pattern is for like a keychain version, but I did not sell them as a keychain version. I sold them as just like mini fruits. They're super cute. The next pattern are fruit slices from Homely Crochet. I'm planning on making these into keychains. I bought keychain stuff. I just have not done that yet, so I have not showed you them yet. But yes, fruit slices. Super cute. Another Katie Bean Creative pattern. This is her mini mushroom pattern. I think she also has a free tutorial for this one on her YouTube channel, but don't quote me on that. But this is a free pattern from her. Love it. Super cute. The next free pattern is from a YouTube tutorial, but there is also a paid version on Etsy, and that's the small whale from Knit Grits. This is one of the first patterns I think I ever made. Yeah, I've sold a few of them. And the next pattern is probably the pattern that I've sold the most of, and that's these mini octos from All From Jade. She has a free tutorial on her YouTube, as well as the paid version on her Etsy. But the paid version is for like the mom baby family pattern, so you can put the babies into the mom. I've never made like the full pattern, but I like having paper patterns, so like I printed it out to just get the baby version. And the last free pattern is from Cameron's Cute Creations on YouTube. That name's a mouthful. It's her wristlet keychain pattern. She says it works up in less than 10 minutes with the velvet yarn. I did not use velvet yarn, but it definitely worked up in less than an hour. And I like this little pattern, and I sell all my keychains for $15. So anything that you can make in less than an hour that you could sell for 15 bucks, I think is a win. So that is 15 crochet patterns to make and sell in under an hour. If you like crochet content, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you have quick pattern recommendations, please leave them down below because I am always looking to collect new patterns. And I will see you guys in the next one.